We are live, right? Let me know if we are live. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Am I audible to all of you? Yes. Good evening to you all. Yes, good evening. I hope this evening we are all going to have a great evening, right? Because today we are going to learn what? Diagram based question. Diagram based question. Yeah, I see how many of you are there. KB, Kifu, Arav, Aman Aryan. Just a second. Okay, Deepa, Conquer, Mirror Image, Vandana Gupta, Geeta Prasad. Yes, very good evening to you all. I could see that there are some students, those who are there right from the beginning of the live streaming till the end. I appreciate their presence. Okay, so can we start with our class today? Can we start with our class today? What our class will be all about? It will be all about the most important part of your biology paper, that is diagram based question. That is diagram based question, right? Section A is compulsory section. Section A is compulsory section and it involves 10 marks, 10 MCQs. Okay, 10 marks and 10 MCQs. And in section B, okay, it is 30 marks. It is 30 marks, right? And at least 15 to 20 marks. At least 15 to 20 marks will be diagram related question. Will be diagram based question. So this itself proves the fact. How important this diagram based questions are. So this session is going to be very, very important. Yes, good evening to all of you. Geeta Prasad, Kifu, Bajrang Bali, Raghav Raj, Kartikeya Yadav, Conquer, Vandana Gupta, Deepa, once again good evening. Yes, Soparth Gaming, right? So are you all set? Are you all set for this? Okay, this diagram based question. Now, if you see this diagram based question, the weightage for this question is 5 marks. You can see here question number 1. Question number 1. In question number 1, there are how many? 4 questions. And question number 4 is included into 2 parts. Fourth ka first one and fourth ka second one. So this will be the weightage. 5 marks question. 1 mark for each answer. Okay, yes, I see that already answers have started coming up. I see already answers have started coming up. You can type your answer. You can let me know what do you think is the correct answer. Today morning, okay, today morning afternoon, that is I started a live streaming at 11 and it went up for 2 hours, that between 11 to 1. We have drawn this diagram. Okay, we have drawn this diagram. If you have not gone through that video, please go through it. It is receiving a very good response from the students because there is no other video on YouTube for ICSE students where a live drawing of diagram has been taught to you all. So I will request all of the students to go through this diagram. Okay, this is what? This is LS of artery and vein. Which one is the artery? Look at the lumen. The smaller lumen means artery. Smaller lumen means artery. Right? Where is this? Okay, here. And a bigger lumen means what? Vein. What we have to do here? Okay, look at the part. Look at the part A and B. Look at the part A and B. Okay, B looks lumen and A is the inner layer. Okay, inner layer. Identify blood vessel A. Identify the blood vessel A and B. In each case, give reason to your answer. So not only we have to identify the answer, but we have to give the correct reason. Right? Can we start? Can we go? So here is my first answer. फर्स्ट का ए वाला डायग्राम ए, ब्लड वेसल, ओके, सो कैपिटल ए, is it A or small a? Identify blood vessel A and B. Let me say A is what? A is my artery. And what is the reason why it is artery? Okay, narrow lumen. You see a narrow lumen. So that makes me come to the conclusion that it is an artery. And B is what? B is what? Vein. Why? Why? What is the reason? Okay, what is a reason? What is a reason? Okay, it has a wide lumen. Use a correct keyword. Use a correct keyword. Use a correct keyword. Why? They see these keywords, wide and narrow. Don't use a word like big or small. Okay, don't use the word like big or small. Right? Okay, there can be one more reason also. Ki, these are thick muscular and thin muscular. Artery has a narrow lumen. Okay, fine. Absolutely right. Name the part labeled as A and B. What is A? Okay, definitely B is what? Okay, this part B is lumen. Part B is lumen. Am I right? Part B is what? Lumen. And A is what? A is what? What is A called? What is A called? Yes, I am reading your comments. Okay. Yes, vein has a thin muscular wall, has a wide lumen. You can talk about that also. Okay, thick muscular wall. Thick muscular wall. This will be a second reason. Okay. Even one reason is more than enough. But if you know, well and good. And here thin muscular wall. Thin muscular wall in vein. Right? Okay. What is the part A and B called? Part B is lumen and part A आज सुबह ही किया था हम लोगों ने एंडो एपिथेलियम जैसा. ओके, एंडोथीलियम राइट, एंडोथीलियम. ओके, ट्यूनिका इंटरना. ओके, इनर लेयर. फाइन. Okay, but write endothelium. Tunica means layer and interna means internal layer. Right? When are the sound love and dub are produced? When are the sound love and dub are produced? That is the next question. Okay, question number 3 is when are the sound love and dub are produced? Okay, they are indication of the closure of the wall. Okay, hearts of the wall. So love sound is produced when what? Tricuspid and mitral wall. Okay, wall closes, right? Walls are closed, and dub sound is a closure. Yes, Ram Adiga. Hello and good evening. Okay, Soparth Gaming B. Okay, when is the dub sound produced? Okay, when is the dub sound produced? Dub sound is produced when which walls are closed? When which walls are closed? Okay, when which walls are closed? It is produced when pulmonary. During pulmonary and what? Pulmonary and what? Which one? Pulmonary and aortic semilunar walls closed. Semilunar walls are closed. Okay, are closed. Right? Now see, love. These walls, when they close, it produces a sound. Okay, when the love and dub sound are produced, when? Okay, when these walls, tricuspid wall, okay, and mitral wall, they hit against one another. When they close, they hit against one another, right? And dub sound is produced when pulmonary or aortic wall, when they close against one another. Is it fine? Is it fine? Do you agree? If you have any doubt, let me know. Okay. During the heartbeat, name the blood vessel. Name the blood vessel that begins and end in capillary. Okay. Yesterday also we have taken this question. Okay. Yesterday also we have taken this question. Okay. I'll give you time to write this answer. This blood vessel supplies the blood to the walls of the heart. So this blood vessel is heart means coronary. Okay, coronary artery. Coronary artery. Okay, it supplies the blood to the walls of the heart. Okay, begins. Yes, portal vein. Portal vein. Okay, portal vein. You can use a word hepatic portal vein. You can use a word hepatic portal vein when it is between what? One of the organ is the liver. Liver means hepatic. Right? Livers means hepatic. I see all my champions. कल उन्होंने इस क्वेश्चन में मिस्टेक किया था, but now they are clear. Now they are clear in their mind. All right? They are absolutely clear in their mind. Can we move on to next question? If you want to have a look at this question, just go through it. If you want to have a look, just go through this question. Any doubt, let me know. Any doubt, let me know. Okay, any doubt, let me know. Otherwise, we are moving to question number 2. What I have taken here? I have taken here only 20 questions. Super 20 questions. Okay, super 20 questions. And I know, okay, all the questions which are going to come in your examination, they will be same like this. जो हम लोग ये 20 questions करने वाले हैं, okay, nothing different from this. Yes, we go on to question number 2. Have a look at this diagram. Have a look at this diagram. Okay. The diagram given alongside represent the human heart in one phase of its functional activity. So what do we see? Blood is entering from what? Auricle to ventricle. Auricle to ventricle. Study the same and answer the question that follows. And there are some labelings given over here like A, B and C. A, B and C. So what is question number 1? Name this phase. Can you name this phase correctly? Can you name this phase correctly? What is this phase called? Yes, what is this phase called? I'll write answer here. Okay, just I'll write a statement. Yes, already Heetal Varia. Okay, she has given a correct answer. This phase is called atrial systole. Absolutely correct. This phase is called atrial systole. Right? Any doubt, let me know. Any doubt, let me know. Label the parts A, B and C. Let me label it here. Okay, let me label here. What is part A? Can you tell me what is part A? This is coming from lungs. Okay, what is part A? Chalo, I'm waiting. I'll wait for your answer. I'll wait for your answer. What is part A? What is part B called? And what is part C called? A is called definitely pulmonary. A is called pulmonary artery. Sorry, pulmonary vein. Only vein which carries oxygenated blood. Only vein which carries oxygenated blood. B is what? B is what? B is superior vena cava. It is superior vena cava. Okay, superior vena cava. Right? And C, it's very simple. C is very simple. Okay, आज सुबह हम लोग diagram draw कर रहे थे. We were drawing a diagram. So we have drawn this aorta. So drawing a diagram also helps. Drawing the diagram also helps. So when it comes to labeling or answering the question, that is going to help you. Right? Yes. Almost all the students are giving the correct answer. Bajrang Bali, Geeta Prasad, Kifu, yes, Heetal Varia, I see you were not there in the morning. If possible, go through the video which I have uploaded in the morning and see we have drawn some important diagrams. उसमें से एक diagram exam में आएगा. If you have already watched this, Heetal, just type in a chat box कि yes sir, I have watched it. conquer. Then what? Geeta Prasad, Vandana Gupta, mirror image, Abhik Mondal. Okay, Abhik Mondal. Abhik Mondal. Then what else? Who else? Ek minute. Is it what? Where this is going? Oh, okay. Yes, my champions. You are absolutely right. It is pulmonary artery. Yes, it is pulmonary artery. Because look at the opening. Look at the opening. It is from here. It is going towards. Okay, it will be blue color. Okay, it is carrying what? It is carrying what? Deoxygenated blood toward the lung. Okay, so this will be what? Artery. Only artery which carries deoxygenated blood. Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely right. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, moving on to next part. Which part of the heart is contracting in this phase? Which part is contracting? Which chamber? Upper chamber or lower chamber? Now blood, we can see in this diagram, blood is flowing from the upper chamber into the lower chamber. From the upper chamber into the lower chamber. So kya lagta hai? Which will be contracting? Which part will be contracting? Which chamber will be contracting? Okay. And give reason to your answer. Give reason to your answer. So part which is contracting is the atrium. Is the atrium. Okay, is the atrium. Okay, atrium or the upper chamber. Upper chamber. And what makes us conclude this? They want a reason also. Because blood is flowing. Okay, blood is flowing from. Okay, flowing from auricles to ventricles, because blood is flowing from auricles to ventricles. Yes, Andrew, I did not see you in the morning. Did you attend my morning class? If you have not attended, please make sure that you go through that video. A very important video. Yes, hello Andrew. Right. Here comes the diagram. Draw a well-labeled diagram of part A and B to show the structural difference between them. To show the structural between them. What is A and what is B? What is A and what is B? Okay, one is the artery and one is the vein. Okay, one is the artery and other one is the vein. Do you remember? अभी मैं पूरा diagram नहीं draw करता हूँ because I have two videos based upon this. Artery, a narrow lumen. Okay. Then first layer. Then second layer. And this is the third layer. Right. Okay. So this is what? Artery. This is artery. Correct? Okay. Should we draw a diagram or you have seen that video? Should we diagram or already you have seen that video? Let me know. Should I draw this again? Should I draw this again? Let me know. Should I draw this again? Should I draw this again? Okay, how come I'm drawing a perfect circle? How come I'm drawing a perfect circle? Right? Because I am using taking a help of what? It is going out. It is going out. Okay. Correct? Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Narrow lumen. Narrow lumen. Okay. See, in this way, a diagram can be asked to draw. Right? Lumen is narrow in artery. And it is wider in vein. Right? And first layer is this. Correct? 1, 2, This is third and this is fourth one. Okay, fifth. Draw some partition like this. Okay. And over here, wider lumen. Today morning I have taken, okay, morning between 11 to 1, I took a live streaming. Over there, I have drawn this diagram. Right? I think most of you were there. Most of you were there, okay? First layer. Then this is my second layer. Okay, second layer. A second layer. Right, second layer के अंदर you can draw dots, random dots like this. Correct? Dots like this. Use a pro circle. Okay, you can use a circle like this. Okay, to draw this diagram. Colored pencil is also allowed. Okay, you can use colored if you are good at drawing. Okay, so you can use a colored pencil also. And third layer, how do we differentiate this? You can draw lines like this. Okay, third layer. Third layer. Very important diagram for tomorrow's exam. Okay, all these questions, some students, okay, I think one student was continuously asking me, कि sir, send a PY question last 20 years. As I have given it for a biology. Okay, ये PYQs ही है, last 20 years के question ही है. Only thing is that इसके आगे मैंने year नहीं डाला. Okay, year नहीं डाला है. Right, otherwise these all are important questions. These all are important questions. All are PY questions. Right? All are PY questions. Okay, third layer. And label it. And label it. ठीक है? Which parts? Are they asking us a specific, okay? Draw a label diagram of part A and B. Okay, part A and B. A was what? Artery or vein? What was A? A was artery and B was vein, superior vena cava. B was vein. A was artery. So this is B, vein. And this is artery. Show the structural difference. Okay, what is the structural difference? So you can see here. You can see here. Okay, over here. A narrow lumen. Narrow lumen. And thick muscular wall. Thick muscular wall. Right, whereas here, do we have a space? Okay, I'll write it here. This is what? Wider lumen. Comparatively wider lumen. And thin muscular wall. Thin muscular wall. Fine. So, internal layer is called endothelium. Then middle layer, tunica media, outer layer, tunica externa. No need to mention that. That is not asked over here. Right? So this is a diagram. Can we continue? Can we continue? Okay, here we go. Question number 3. Okay, this is a double circulatory system, right? Double circulatory system. Sir, can we draw a rough diagram in our examination to help in our examination? Yes, definitely. If you are writing any answer and if you want to make it more informative, you can draw a rough diagram. Okay, you can draw a rough diagram, right? In science, okay, it is expected you draw a diagram, necessary diagram, wherever required. Suppose they ask you what do you mean by double circulation? You can supplement your answer with this diagram. Okay, like in physics, when we do some derivation or something, we draw a diagram. So yes, you can draw a diagram. Okay, you can draw a supplementary diagram, but make sure that you don't, या तो draw ही मत करो. But if you draw and if there is any mistake in that drawing, then you will lose the mark. Okay, so you are inviting a risk. You are inviting a risk. No problem. You can draw a diagram, but your diagram has to be error free. Have you seen this diagram properly? Have you seen this diagram properly? Numbers are 1 to what? 7. 1 to 8. Sorry, 1 to 8. Numbers are 1 to 8. Okay. Name the blood vessels labeled 1 and 2. Can you tell me what is the name of the first blood vessel? Blood vessel number 1. It is coming from head and going, okay, going into the heart, okay, from the upper part of the body, entering into the heart is superior vena cava. Is superior vena cava. Am I right? Superior vena cava. 1 is superior vena cava. What about 2? It is going out from heart. It is going out from heart, okay, to the liver and intestine. From the liver and intestine, what it is called? What it is called? Okay, it is called, yes, it is called aorta. It is called aorta. Right? Aorta. It is called aorta. Acha, can you give me another name for superior vena cava? Can you give me another name for superior vena cava? इसको हम लोग pre-caval भी बोलते हैं. Pre-caval. Okay, pre-caval. Right? Okay, but if you are comfortable with this name, it is fine. It is also known as anterior vena cava. It is also known as anterior vena. Right? Fine. Can we continue? Can we continue? Okay. 110 views, but only 26 likes. 110 views. Please like this live streaming. Please like this video if you are attending this live stream and if you are finding it helpful. Right? So we have answered question number 1. We have answered question number 1. State the function of a blood vessel labeled 5 and 6. Okay, what is 5? What is 5 and what is 6? Okay, what is 5 and what is 6? 5 and 6. 6 is from what? From small intestine to liver. So it is what? Hepatic portal vein. From organ to organ is portal vein. From organ to organ it is portal vein. And one of your organ is liver. Okay, one of the organ is liver. Then it is hepatic portal vein. Right? Okay, somebody was asking me this doubt yesterday. If I'm not wrong, it was Geeta Prasad. Okay, what is hepatic artery? So number 5 is hepatic artery. Okay, artery carries oxygenated blood. Okay, so we see ये hepatic portal vein carries deoxygenated blood to liver. So liver also requires a nourishment. तो nourishment कौन लेकर आता है? तो hepatic artery. Right? Hepatic artery. What is the function? What is the function? Okay, you have to write a complete functions. Okay, complete functions. Brings. Okay, this hepatic portal vein brings oxygenated blood. Okay, oxygenated blood. Okay, complete function. So from to आना चाहिए. Complete function. From where to where? From heart. Okay, from heart to what? To liver. Have you seen my video जहाँ पर मैंने बताया कि function कैसे लिखना? Okay, अगर transportation होगा, so these are the keywords. These are the keywords. From heart लिखोगे तो it is incomplete. You will not get a mark. Okay, you will not get a mark. Yes, Someshwar, good evening. And what about hepatic portal vein? Okay, hepatic portal vein. What is the function of hepatic portal vein? Sixth का function क्या है? Function of sixth one. Right. It brings. Okay, it takes what? Sorry, it takes what? Takes what? Transport deoxygenated blood from liver to heart. What do we want? 5 and 8. Oh, we want 5 and 8, not 6, huh? We want 5 and 8. Okay. From 5 and 8. Here, see, here we go. 8th one. 8th wala. What is function of 8? Okay, what is the function of 8? We are into which question? Second question. Currently, we are into second question. State the function of 5. 5 was hepatic artery. Okay, and 8th is what? Hepatic. 8th is what? Hepatic vein. Right now, 8th is what? Hepatic vein. 8th is hepatic. Liver का है, इसलिए hepatic vein. Right, hepatic vein. And what is the function? It takes deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood. Function has to be complete. Deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood. From where to where? Blood from where to where? From liver. From liver to where? To heart. Okay, your function has to be complete. Your function has to be complete. From or to, from liver likhoge, it is wrong. You will not get. Okay, to heart is also wrong. You have to write a complete function. Right? Okay. ठीक है? It is inferior vena का हुआ. Okay, it is inferior vena का हुआ. वो भी चलेगा. But अच्छा. Wait. Correct. Okay. 8th one. See, 7th one. Okay, 7th one. So much of confusion. 7th one is hepatic. 7th one is hepatic. Okay. 7th wala jo hai, 7th one, that is hepatic vein. Okay. This is what? Inferior vena cava. 8th is inferior vena cava. Yes, Geeta Prasad, absolutely right. 8th is inferior vena cava. And 7th wala is hepatic vein. It is hepatic vein. 7th one. So see carefully. See carefully. Yes. Yes, absolutely right. What is the importance of blood vessel labeled 6? Kya importance? Okay. Mark this as very, very important question. Mark this as, this one as very, very important question. ये diagram based question में नहीं आया तो कहीं ना कहीं जरूर पूछा जाएगा. Okay, ये जो है कहीं ना कहीं जरूर पूछेंगे. Right? कहीं ना कहीं जरूर पूछेंगे. Okay, what is the importance of 6th wala? 6th wala is hepatic portal vein. Okay, क्या आएगा इसका आंसर? Where should I write this? Okay, third का आंसर I will write here. I will write in a complete statement. Answer 3, because very important question. Importance of blood vessel 6. 6 is what? Hepatic portal vein. Hepatic portal vein. What is the answer? What is the answer? Very important question. Okay, it carries what? 6th wala, hepatic portal vein. 6th one is, yes, hepatic portal vein. It, okay, hepatic portal vein takes what? Takes what? Blood. Takes blood. Okay, containing what? Containing what? Containing, okay, absorbed food. Absorb food to liver, right? Absorb food to liver to regulate. Okay, write it down. If you are sitting with your notebook and pen, write this answer. I'll write a complete answer. I'll give you a complete answer. तो कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं करेंगे आप लोग एग्जाम में. Okay, to regulate the amount of nutrition. To regulate the amount. I want you all to write same answer in the examination. Okay, तो आपका marks नहीं कटेगा. Nutrients, amount of the nutrients. If you have any doubt, let me know. Amount of the nutrients in blood. Okay, amount of nutrients in the blood toxin. Okay, in the blood toxin. I hope you understand my handwriting. Coming along with, please write this answer in your notebook. Okay, coming along with food, okay, are detoxified. Okay, all the toxins will be detoxified. Okay, will be detoxified in liver. detoxified in liver. Okay. Okay, Geeta Prasad has written some answer. I'll tell you whether you will get full marks for that or not. Hepatic portal vein, it carries blood rich in nutrients absorbed from the small intestine to liver, where it get monitored before passing it into heart. Okay, monitored for what? Monitored for what? वो point थोड़ा सा add कर. Okay, I find your answer okay. Okay, but ये monitored लिखा है. But this you have to, okay, you have to throw some more line on this. Monitored for what? Okay, please mention monitored for what? For toxins. Okay, monitored for what? Okay, so regulate the amount of nutrients in the blood. Toxin coming from the food are detoxified in the liver. In the liver, right? Fine. Have you written this answer? Have you written this answer? Yes, Sukhwinder Singh, hello. Chalo, let us continue. Which blood vessel will contain high amount of glucose and amino acid after meal? Which blood vessel? Sorry, which blood vessel? Which blood vessel? कौन सा blood vessel? We will write the number, okay? Okay, so blood vessel is what? Blood vessel is what? Sixth wala. Hepatic portal vein. Okay, hepatic portal vein. After a meal, after eating something, this will contain, okay, this will contain high amount of glucose and amino acid. Very important question. Please learn this carefully. Okay, draw the diagram of different blood cells as seen in a smear of a blood. In a smear of a blood. Have you seen my video in the morning? Have you seen my video in the morning? Simple mystery already I have posted. Okay, technical terms ka PDF already is in the description box of my today's morning video. जो आज के सुबह वाला video था, you can check over there. Simple mystery. Today's morning video, आज सुबह का video check करना. Right? Andrew, what? No, sir, I did not understand you. Okay, Geeta Prasad is telling it, sir, don't draw this. Don't draw this. Okay, is it fine? Geeta Prasad, okay, Vandana Gupta is also saying, yes, these all students were there in my morning class. Okay, so we will move on to the next question. But I will highly recommend you all. Okay, highly recommend you all to see my video जहाँ पर हम लोगों ने smear of blood बनाया था. Okay, just एक idea दे देता हूँ. This is a smear of blood, a sample of blood seen under a microscope. Okay, क्या किया था इसमें? हम लोगों ने 5 RBCs draw किया था. Okay, circle and dots are what? Red blood cells. Are red blood cells, right? And one WBC, white blood cell. One white blood cell. ठीक है? White blood cell कैसे बनाया था? अमीबा शेप. और इसके अंदर जो न्यूक्लियस दिखाया था, that was lobed. Here I am showing 3 lobes. If I am not wrong, morning I have shown 4 lobes and some platelets. Platelets, circle and dot. Okay, circle and dot. ठीक है? Circle and dot. Okay, fine. If you, okay. अच्छा, simple mysteries from Pune. Okay. Yes, I do sometimes visit Pune. I sometimes visit Pune. Yes. Study the diagram given alongside and answer the question that follows. Look here, pancreas. Okay, pancreas. What? Glucagon and insulin. Okay, glucagon and insulin. Hormones secreted, right? And liver. Okay, yes. Some kind of quadrilateral form. Name the. Okay, are you ready? Fine. Are you ready for the answer? Let me know. Can I continue? Yes, already answers have started coming. Name the cell of the pancreas that produce glucagon. Okay, name the. Yes. Okay, answer 1 is what? Alpha cells. of what? Alpha cells of what? Cell of what? Islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans. Right? Islets of Langerhans. Yes. Correct. Glucagon to convert glycogen into glucose. Yes. And next one is what? Beta cells. Insulin. Okay. Insulin is secreted by. There are three different kind of cells in the pancreas. Alpha cells, beta cell and delta cells. So beta cells secrete, okay, hormone called insulin. Okay, beta cells of islets of Langerhans. Write the complete answer. Okay, Langerhans. Right? Now main function of glucagon. Okay, main function of glucagon. It converts. Okay, glucagon converts what? Glucagon converts what? Glycogen to glucose. Okay, glycogen to glucose. Correct? Thereby what? Increases. Thereby increases. Glucose means sugar. Increases blood sugar level. Increases blood sugar level. Blood sugar level, right? Okay. Yes. And what? Okay. Insulin does exactly opposite of this. Insulin will do exactly opposite of this. Will convert. Okay. Insulin will convert. Convert what? Convert what? Okay. Convert glucose to glycagon. Okay. Glucose to glycagon. Glycogen. Okay, and it will what? It decreases. Okay, and decreases sugar level in the blood. Decreases sugar level in the blood. Right, sugar level in the blood. Is it clear? Is it clear? Each question is 5-mark question. Each question is the 5-mark question. Take it seriously. Take it seriously. Important. Again, we are not only preparing ourselves. We are not only preparing ourselves for what? We are not only preparing ourselves for the diagram based question, but we are getting ready. We are getting ready for what? For other question answers also. For other question answers also. Correct? Yes. Now what? Why is pancreas referred to as, this is very easy, as exoendocrine gland? Yes, Andrew, extra information. Good. Not in syllabus, but yes, it's better to know it. Right? Chalo. Insulin. Okay, ye wala. Why? Why? Simple mystery. See, these are all PYQ. Simple mystery, these are all PYQ. सिर्फ इसके आगे year नहीं लिखा है. सिर्फ इसके आगे year नहीं लिखा है. Otherwise, these are all PYQs. Okay, don't worry. These are all PYQs. Only I have not written. Okay. Chemistry सारखा PYQ पाहिजे. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. PYQ. Just a second, just a second. There is some problem. Okay, rectify. Okay, fine. All are. Okay, हे सगळे जे आहेत ते PYQs आहे. फक्त याच्या पुढे जे आहेत year लिहिलेले नाहीयेत. Otherwise, each and every question is a PYQ. I hope simple mystery. पुण्याचं नाव खराब नको करू स्पॅम करून. एकदाच टाक, I can read it. All those who cannot understand this was a Marathi language. Okay. Right? Simple mystery. Okay, fine. The insulin are not given orally but injected into a blood. Now, if you have seen somebody in your house, maybe grandfather, grandmother having a problem from diabetes, a diabetic patient. So insulin injections are given, no tablets. Why? Very important question. This is also a board question. This is also a board question. Why? Tell me why. अच्छा ये नहीं लिखा ना? Why third वाला नहीं लिखा? Because it is what? Pancreas, it is endocrine gland also. It performs a work of endocrine gland also and exocrine gland also, right? Okay, it produces endocrine, okay, it does a work of endocrine gland, right now? It does a work of endocrine gland. What is that work? Produces what? Produces pancreas, okay, produces what? Hormones. Okay, produces hormones which are poured directly into the blood. Hormones which are poured directly into blood. Okay, very good to know that. Very good to know that simple mystery. Okay, gland produces a hormone and it is poured, which are poured directly into the blood. Which are poured directly into the blood. Correct? Poured directly into the blood. Directly into blood. Fine. And how does it perform? The exocrine gland, activity of the exocrine gland. Yes, it produces pancreatic juices and poured into duodenum. Okay, through what? Through a special duct. Okay, so endocrine gland, they pour their hormones, their chemicals directly into the blood. Directly into the blood. Okay, directly into the blood. Whereas exocrine gland have a special duct. So these produce, okay, this product, pancreatic juices are poured into duodenum via some ducts, right? Okay, no regional language. Okay, why is insulin not given orally and injected? Okay, because if given orally, it will undergo a process of digestion. It will undergo a process of digestion, and hormones should be poured directly into the blood. Okay, if you give insulin ka tablets, so that will undergo what? Digestion. Okay, it will undergo digestion. Okay, fine. So it needs to be poured into a blood. It needs to be poured into blood. Correct? Can we move on to next question? What is the technical term of the cell of the pancreas? What is the technical term for the cell of pancreas that produces endocrine hormone? क्या है वो technical term? Come on, tell me the technical term. I am waiting for the answer. Yes. Okay, Vandana Gupta has given a perfect answer. Insulin is injected and not given orally because it is and proteinaceous in nature, so it gets digested. Whereas, okay, requirement is it should be directly poured into the blood. Yes, absolutely right. Technical word for the cells of pancreas is islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans. Correct? Islets of Langerhans, right? They are colored, and these islets of Langerhans are alpha cell, beta cell, and delta cell. Garvit. Okay, what? Insulin, sir? I think so. For which answer? Write the number. Okay. Technical term insulin, no. If you are talking about insulin, no. Where in the body is pancreas located? Write the location properly. Location and functions are the question. Okay. Location. Abhinayan, what? Delta cell? No, islets of Langerhans. Technical term is islets. Alpha, beta, and delta cells are together called, okay, islets of Langerhans. Okay, location. When you write location, if you have seen my video, there I have given, okay. Yes, absolutely correct. You have to give a two reference point. So pancreas are situated below the stomach. Okay, but below the stomach. This is one reference point. Okay, this is one reference point, and the second reference point is in the first loop, of duodenum, in the first loop of duodenum. Correct? Yes, two reference point. Below the stomach, you may not get marks. You may not get the marks if you write only below the stomach. You have to write to two reference point. Two reference point whenever you are writing a location. Two reference point. If you write only below the stomach means where? Okay, even feet is below the stomach. No, don't write below the stomach. You are inviting a trouble. Below the stomach in the first loop of the duodenum. Right? Okay, let us continue. Please like this live stream. We have 200 views, but only 34 likes. Don't be stingy. Okay, I know students are watching this video. Their parents also, and some teachers also. You all can like this video. It's not that only students have to like this video. Okay, Vandana Gupta, that is also fine. Beneath the stomach in the duodenal loop, that is also fine. But write in two reference points. Can we continue? Do you want to have a look at this? At the entire answer. If you want any explanation, let me know. If you want, let me know. Right? If you want any explanation, let me know. Or should we continue? We move on to next question. Yes. Write two reference point. That is a must. Okay. Yes. Teachers and parents are watching. Yes. Because I do watch the videos of the other teachers to take a second opinion. Okay, here we go. Okay, look at this handsome boy. Right? He's suffering from certain disease. Look at his neck. A sketch along shows a certain condition in an individual. Can you name the condition? Can you name this condition? Okay, this poor chap. Yes, we are continuing. Can you name the condition? Okay, it is. He's suffering from which disease? Yes, my future doctors. He's suffering from which disease? Simple goiter. Okay, simple goiter. Okay, simple goiter. Yes. What is the underlying cause? What is the cause? Okay, what is the cause? Underlying cause. Okay, cause we have to write. Not enough space. I will write it here. Deficiency of what? Okay, deficiency of what? Deficiency of iodine in a diet. Iodine. Okay, namak mein hota hai iodine. Iodine in the diet. That is a reason. Okay, you have to consume salt in a apt quantity, and this leads to which leads to what? Hypo or under secretion. Leads to under secretion of which hormone? Under secretion of thyroxine, hormone called thyroxine. Yes, sir, how to pass in bio without touching textbook? Okay, if your question is genuine, no problem, I'll answer this question. Okay, don't touch the textbook, use better notes. Okay, मेरे वीडियो अटेंड करो. Okay, the answer, ये word, ये सारे भी अटेंड करोगे, still you have a bright chance of getting what, close to 30 marks out of 40. ओके अगर सारे मेरे वीडियोस देखोगे और सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे, सारे शीट सॉल्व करोगे, 30 प्लस इज गारंटीड. Okay, and not only watch the video, solve all the worksheets which I have put in the description box. Okay, only watching video is not going to help. Okay, fine. Name two other conditions that could have a same okay, same that could have resulted due to similar cause. Name two other conditions. Name two other conditions. Okay, third may we will name two conditions. Which is the first one? Which is the first one? Okay, और कौन से disease है because of same due to deficiency of okay hormone called thyroxine. Okay, can you tell me? It is cretinism. It is cretinism in children. In children, in adult, what is the name of the disease? Myxedema. Myxedema in adults, right? Any doubt, let me know. Any doubt, let me know. Yes, cretinism in children and myxedema in adult is caused due to under secretion of thyroxine, hormone called thyroxine. Yes, Geeta Prasad. Okay. Correct. Okay, fourth wala. Hormone. Which hormone is required for iodine synthesis? Fourth one. Which hormone is required for iodine synthesis? Which hormone is required for iodine synthesis? Okay, thyroxine. Same. Repeated question. Where is thyroid gland located? Again, location. Where is thyroid gland located? Can you tell me? Yes, I am waiting for your answers. Where is thyroid gland located? Location. Okay, two reference point. Your location should have two reference point. Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Fifth wala answer. Tell me. Fifth wala answer. Location. I tell you once again. Your location should have two reference points. Two reference points. Okay. Your location should have two reference points. बहुत marks miss करते हैं students in location and function. Okay, in location and function. Next जो है, it is a very vague word. Next से clear नहीं पता चलता. Okay. ठीक है, neck से पता नहीं चलेगा. Please don't write neck. It is located in where? In where? Neck region below larynx. Okay, that is not clear. Okay, in mid-ventral position. Mid-ventral position. I hope you are referring to good quality notes. Notes proper refer कर रहे आप लोग. Okay, in the posterior part of the pharynx. Okay, if you are school teacher or if you have joined any classes or any additional help, educational facilitator, okay, so I hope you will be having a good question, a good notes with you, right? Good notes. If you want, okay, comment करो. अगर आपको location और function से related note चाहिए तो put it in a comment box, right? Okay, we have Albert Einstein also along with us, studying biology. Albert Einstein was very weak in biology. He was God in physics, but other subjects. Okay, but other subject was a problem. Yes, Andrew. This is an alarming bell. You have 2 days. What? 1.5 days in your hand. Work out on locations and functions. I correct the question paper. I know how students lose marks in this. In location. Okay, location. Don't write neck. Neck means what? Neck means what? Which part of the neck? So mid-ventral position in the posterior part of the pharynx is the correct answer. Okay. Fine. I'll put it in a comment box. Okay, मेरे किसी वीडियो में मैंने पोस्ट किया हुआ, किसी वीडियो में आई ऑलरेडी हैव पोस्टेड, शायद पुराना वीडियो है. Okay. Albert Einstein, I really appreciate your answer. Congratulations if you are getting 40 on 40. But I hope you are not just fooling around and you are here to study. Right? Okay. The hormone secreted by thyroid gland is controlled by which hormone? Thyroid gland is controlled by which hormone? Chalo, I want answer for this. I want correct answer for this. I want correct answer for this. Okay. Is it a pituitary gland? Hormone secreted by a thyroid gland is controlled by which gland? Okay, it is not a pituitary gland, right? It is what? TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Okay, TSH. Don't write short forms, sir. Don't write short forms. Okay. Fine. Let's come here. 6th one. See, here we have pharynx, right? You can see the exact location of thyroid over here. Okay, have you seen this diagram below represent the location and the structure of endocrine gland? Study the same and answer the following question. Name the gland shown in the diagram. Name the gland shown in the diagram. First one, name the gland. Kaun sa gland? I'll write answer here only. Which is this gland? Very easy for you. Okay, very easy. Which is this gland? Which is this gland? Which is this gland? Yes. Deepa, okay, pituitary gland. I don't know which answer you are talking about. If you are talking about the previous answer, it is not pituitary, it is thyroid stimulating gland, TSH, that regulates, okay, secretion by thyroid gland. Yes, this one is the thyroid gland. Okay, a thyroid gland. Gland is thyroid gland. Correct? Thyroid gland. ठीक है? Question number 2. Name the secretion of the gland which regulates the basal metabolism. Read the question carefully. Secretion is what? Very simple. Thyroid gland, thyroxine. Okay, secretion is thyroxine. Right answer in full sentence. Okay, due to shortage of space, I am giving only answers, but you are expected to write answer in full sentence. Right? Name the mineral element required for synthesis of the above mentioned hormone. This one is very easy. Okay, all questions are repeated. Iodine. Right? Iodine. Correct, iodine. Name the disease caused due to undersecretion of above mentioned in a children. I think this is repeated. ये पूरा सारे question repeated है. Okay? In children, it is what? It is what? Cretinism. In cretinism. Okay? And name the disease caused due to hypersecretion of the above gland. Hypersecretion, disease is which disease? चलो रुका हूं मैं. Goiter. Goiter. But which goiter? Hypersecretion. Which goiter? Which goiter? I am waiting for the answer. Yes. Please like the video. Please like the video. All those who are attending this class, please like the video. Which goiter? Andrew, question is in children. In children. In adults, it is myxedema. Yes, correct. Vandana Gupta, correct. Exophthalmic goiter. Exophthalmic goiter. Right? Is everything clear? Should we move on to next question? Is everything clear? Should we move on to next question? Is everything clear? Are we ready for next question? Yes, Abhinaya, KB, Ashmit, mirror image. Correct. Your answer is absolutely right. Okay, your answer is absolutely right. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. Okay, read the question carefully. Yes. Can we move on to next question? Okay. Again a diagram based question. Look at the diagram here. Given alongside is an outline of human body showing important glands. Name the gland marked 1 to 5. Okay, which is the gland here? Here there is a pea-sized gland. What is the name of this gland? What is the name of this gland? Number 1. Chalo, quick. We have to name the glands over here. First one is which gland? Can you see the question? Which is the first gland? Yes, very good. It is pituitary gland. First one is pituitary gland. Right? And what is this gland? In the neck region, not in the neck, in the neck region. We have covered this, right? Which is the second one? Which is the second gland? Let me know. Second gland. Yes. Okay. Second one is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. Okay. Which is the third one? Chalo, fourth wale ko pehle mark karte. Fourth wala. If you want a clue, it is both exothermic and endothermic gland. Endocrine and exocrine gland. Not temperature. Exocrine and endocrine gland. Okay. Fourth one is what? It is. Okay, it is what? Pancreas. Pancreas. Right? And third one is what? Third one is what? Third one is what? Okay, third one is what? They are adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. And fifth one is what? Ovaries. And fifth one is what? Ovaries. Correct? Yes. Yes. Very good. Name the hormone secreted by gland number 2. By the second gland. So hormone secreted is by thyroxine. Thyroid gland is thyroxine. Thyroxine. Correct? Thyroxine. Right? And give one importance of this hormone. Okay, one important. Okay, it regulates what? This regulates. It regulates what? Basal metabolism. Okay, it regulates basal metabolism of the body. Correct? Is it fine? Okay. Yes, thyroxine and calcitonin. But right, thyroxine. Okay. Name the endocrine cells present in four. Fourth one is what? Pancreas. See how these questions are repeating again and again because they are important questions. Islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans. Okay, islets of Langerhans. Cells. Okay, and individually what? There are three kinds of cells: alpha, beta, and and delta. Okay, alpha, beta, and delta. So inside a bracket you can write that. Name the hormone secreted by three. Three is adrenal gland. Okay, adrenal gland. What is the hormone secreted? Hormone secreted is adrenaline. Okay, it is adrenaline. Adrenaline. And what is the important function? What's the important function? It prepares body for the stressful situation. We all know this. Okay. Prepares body for stressful situation. For okay, stressful situation. Situation. Okay, just elaborate more in this. By causing what? By causing production of glucose. Production of glucose from glycogen. From glycogen in liver. In liver and releasing into blood. And releasing it into blood. Okay, endocrine gland. So directly released into blood. Into blood. Is it fine? Is it fine? What medulla? Medulla जैसा तो कोई आंसर है नहीं यहाँ पर. Correct? Is it okay? Write the correct answer. It gives oxygen to the muscle. Very vague answer. Very vague answer. Okay? A very layered answer. बहुत ऊपर से answer है. When it is not wrong actually. It gives oxygen to muscle, but it is as if like a 5th 6th standard का बच्चा answer दे रहा है. Your level is 10th standard. Okay, 10th standard. So it should be like that. Okay, yes, Geeta Prasad. Fit 10-5. Okay. Can we move on to next question? Yes, Pravin Sir OP. Type in a chat box. Pravin Sir OP. Chalo. Now 39 likes, 300 views. Yes, Pravin Sir OP. Write in a chat box. Everyone. And fire along with that. And fire along with that. Fatafat. And here we move on to the next question. Human ear. I feel ये आएगा diagram. Human ear वाला diagram. I don't know. But my gut feeling says human ear exam में आने वाला. I'll do this in my midnight prediction also. I'll take this in my midnight prediction also. All those who are watching this for the first time. Okay, I do a midnight prediction before the examination. Please go through that also. Yes. Okay, thank you very much. See, look at the diagram. Study the following diagram carefully, then answer the question that follows. The diagram depicting a human ear. Give the biological term for the part labeled A and state its function. What is the biological term for part A? Okay, let me give a clue. Let me give you all a clue. Part A is made up of three tiny, smallest bone of our. Okay, very good, Abhinaya. Thank you very much. Tiniest bone of a human body. Okay, what? Malis, incus, and stapes. Malis, incus, and stapes. But what are they collectively called? What are they collectively called? Yes, Geeta Prasad, absolutely right. They are called ear ossicles. They are called ear Ossicles. And what is the function of the ear ossicle? What is the function? Please write the complete function. Please write the complete function. I'll wait for your functions. I'll wait for your functions. Write the complete function. I'm waiting for your answer. Let me see how many of you give the correct answer, because I have seen students losing marks in location and function. So many students don't get full marks because of this. जो भी marks cut होता है, it is over here. Not even diagram, but over here. Yes. Chalo. Ear ossicles. Function. I'll write it here. Function must be complete from dash to dash. Function must be complete. ये from और to आना चाहिए. No, it is not Eustachian tube. ये B वाला Eustachian tube है. I want function, stated functions. This part is yet to answer. We are yet to answer this part. We are yet to answer the other part. Transmit vibrations from eardrum to cochlea. Yes, correct. Okay. It helps in transmitting. Helps in transmitting. Helps in transmitting. Transmitting. Helps in transmitting. Okay. Ear sound vibrations. Sound vibrations. From where? Yes, from where? Yes, middle ear. Okay, correct. From correct. From, you can say eardrum. Okay, eardrum to cochlea. From eardrum to where? To cochlea. Okay, this is a perfect answer. Okay, ये first statement है नीचे वाला, फिर continue करना है. Correct? Your function has to be complete. Okay, from to आना चाहिए, otherwise wrong. Okay, from sound waves from tympanum, eardrum to cochlea is also correct. And Andrew wrote something that was also correct, from eardrum and transmit these waves to the oval window. Okay, oval window, fine. Oval window is where? A part of cochlea. Any other answer do you want to share? Any other answer do you want to share, or should I continue? Or should I continue? No problem, Abhinaya. No problem. Yes. Name the part labeled B and state its function. What is part B? What is part B? Okay, what is part B? What is part B? It is what? I already told this. This is Eustachian tube. Okay, Eustachian tube. And function is very important. This is very important question. Very important. A high chance of being asked in the exam. Eustachian tube. Eustachian tube, right? What is the function? Write a complete function. Write a complete function. Yes. It is not an auditory nerve. Auditory nerve C wala. C wala is the auditory nerve, not the B one. Ashmit, that is C1. I hope you have not written a number. Okay. So Eustachian tube. What is the function? Yes, it equalizes. Okay, it equalizes. It equalizes pressure. Okay, air pressure instead. Air pressure on either side of a eardrum. Okay, when what happens? Okay, external pressure or internal pressure. Okay, ये different हो जाता है. So eustachian help to maintain the pressure on both sides. When you go to a certain height, अगर आप लोग mountain वगैरह पर जाएंगे, okay, or if you are traveling by a flight or something, so कान बंद हो जाते हैं. So what you can do in that case? You can do a yawning. Oh, ऐसा yawning करेंगे तो what will happen? This pressure will be equalized, और वो जो feeling आता है, a closing eardrum, that will what? Okay, that will fade away. Equalizes pressure on both sides. Okay, on both sides of eardrum. Okay, both sides of eardrum or tympanum. Okay, or tympanic membrane. Tympanic membrane. Right? Tympanic membrane. Now part C, as we have already discussed, part C is neuron. Okay, it is neuron. Which neuron? It is auditory neuron. Right? Part 3 is auditory nerve. Auditory nerve made up of auditory neuron. Auditory nerve, right? Do we need to write a function? Yes. What is the function? What is the function? Write a complete statement. Okay. Yes. Its function is to send impulses to the temporal lobe of a brain. Again, Geeta Prasad. Okay, you are not writing a complete function. From where to where? Please don't forget. ये wired करके रखो. Your answer is absolutely right. I am impressed with your answer. You have given an very important information. Temporal lobe of a brain. But from where? From where? Send. Okay. Auditory impulse. Send which impulse? Auditory impulse. Auditory impulse. From where? Whenever there is a transport from to लिखना जरूरी है. From where? From where? Can we say cochlea? You can be even more precise to this. To the temporal part of the brain. Okay, to the temporal part of the brain, or just write brain. So keyword, okay, maybe if you don't mention this, you may be in trouble. ठीक है? Whenever there is a transport from or to लिखना बहुत जरूरी. Is it fine? Okay, Geeta Prasad, whatever mistakes you are making, make it now. In examination, I want you not to make any mistake. Acha, Andrew, wait. Function is to change the vibration to auditory impulse to the brain, which gives the sensation of hearing. Again, you are not writing from where. From where? Both of you, Andrew as well as Geeta Prasad, okay? आप लोग ये तो लिख रहे to brain, but you are not writing from where. Okay, function. What do I mean by complete function? From to लिखना. Okay, from to लिखना. Vandana Gupta, not from here. Which part of the ear? Be more precise. From cochlea. अगर और चाहिए तो vestibular and cochlear nerve ऐसा लिख सकते. Okay, from cochlea to brain. Please write this. It's my humble request you all write this. Otherwise, you are inviting a trouble. Otherwise, you may lose your marks. Right? बाद में पूछना मत मुझे. Then student put in a comment box after the exam. Sir, मैंने ये लिखा. मुझे marks मिलेंगे क्या? They want me to predict the future. Yes, Kipu. Fourth one, name the function of the airbags. Function. What? Airbags क्या करता है? Lubrication. Okay, lubrication. It is like oiling. Lubrication of what? Lubricate the tympanum for proper function. For proper function. Proper functioning. This function. Okay, this function is not a transport. Okay, यहाँ from or to नहीं है. Yes, Vandana Gupta. From cochlea to brain. Correct? Are you getting it? See, Geeta, then Andrew and Vandana, these are regular members on our channel. I hope you are benefiting this. ओके शायद ये क्लास नहीं अटेंड करोगे, मे बी ओके, मे बी ये मिस्टेक्स आप लोग करेंगे, तो डू मिस्टेक्स हियर एंड रेक्टिफाई योर मिस्टेक्स इन द एग्जामिनेशन. एंड somebody added this point and I'll take this point also. And prevents, yes Geeta Prasad, and prevents entry of foreign particles into the ear. Okay, and prevents the entry of foreign particles. Okay, they get stick to this. Okay, even bacteria and germs also, they get stick to this and it does not enter the ear, and this wakes up some chemicals which kills some those bacteria and viruses, right? Okay, here we go. Do you want to have a single look at this question? Let me know, should I continue? Because I feel human ear wala question aane wala exam. Okay, because I feel human ear wala question aayega. Right? Yes, correct Andrew, absolutely right. Can I continue? Let me know in the chat box. Can I continue? Yes, next. Okay, here we go. Ninth question. There are totally 20. Again related to human ear. Okay, human ear का ये part है. Have you recognized which part? The diagram given below represents the structure found in the inner ear. Ear can be divided into three parts: outer, middle, and inner. Outer, middle, and inner. Okay, so this is inner ear. Name the part A, B, and C. A, B, C, and D. चलो name करो part को. A, B, C, and D. Name the part A, B, C, and D. Name the part A, B, C, and D. What is part A called? What is part A? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. A is what? What is part A called? What is part A called? Yes, answers are coming, but write a label, write this also, okay, number also. A are what? Semicircular canals. Semicircular canals. Right? What is B called? Yeah, I know, Andrew, you are from Malaysia. And okay, fine. Yes, thank you very much for the appreciation. Okay, thank you very much for recognizing the efforts put in by me. Okay. So do your friends in Malaysia watch my channel? Do they watch my channel? B is what? Very important. B is what? Utriculus. Utriculus. Correct. And what is C? Sacculus. Okay. Sacculus. Correct. Okay, C is here. Sorry, C is here, B is here. And what is D? Very easy. Okay, when you see a snail shape, it is cochlea. Okay, it is cochlea, snail shape structure. Utriculus and sacculus. Okay, we have to see their functions also. Okay, utriculus and sacculus for static balance, and semicircular canals for what? Dynamic balance. These two are for static balance of the body. When you are in a standing position, balance is maintained by utriculus and sacculus. And when you are in motion, okay, dynamic balance is maintained by semicircular canals, right? Fine. Chalo, what is the next question? Name the part of the ear responsible for transmitting impulse to the brain. This is very easy. Okay, which is that part of the brain? Very easy, very important. I am feeling that you are going to go wrong here. Cristae and maculae. Please write the number because I am not getting which answer you are trying to write. Second wala. Okay, not the auditory nerve, not the auditory nerve. Be more precise. Part of the ear responsible for, see, this is the function. Transmitting impulses. They are talking about the impulse. This paragraph in your Selina textbook is very confusing. This paragraph in the textbook is very confusing. If you want, I'll put the paragraph, okay? I'll put a paragraph from my notes, but I don't know how to put a paragraph because we cannot, in chat box, we cannot put a photo. Okay, second wala, cochlea, no, this paragraph is very confusing. I know. Let me see any of you, okay? A great respect from me if you give this answer correct. A salute to that student who gives the first correct answer. Okay, if parents and teachers are watching, they can answer too. They can answer too. Okay. Sanjesh Kumar, 3A static. Yes, I am waiting for the correct answer. Transmitting impulses to the brain. You can refer to the textbook, no problem. You can refer to your textbook, no problem. I am waiting for your answers. I want correct answer. I am waiting for the correct answer. I am waiting for your answer. Not cochlea. Not cochlea. Yes. Yes. Kipu, salute to you. Ashmit, salute to you. It is organ of Corti. It is organ of Corti. I know. Ye question, okay, this diagram is so complicatedly present in a Selina textbook. Okay. Selina textbook. Chalo, if you want in my next video, I'll try to explain this. Okay, I'll try to explain organ of Corti. इसका लोकेशन भी पूछते हैं एग्जाम में, इसका लोकेशन भी पूछते हैं, right? Name the part labeled above which is responsible for static equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium. Okay, static equilibrium is what? It is, static equilibrium is utriculus and sacculus. And dynamic equilibrium is semicircular canals, right? And hearing is cochlea, right? Name the auditory receptor cells which pick up the vibration. Okay, which pick up the vibration. I think this must be easy now. Okay, receptor cells which pick up the vibration. What is the answer? This must be easy now. This must be easy now. What is the answer? What is the answer for fourth one? Write number and your answer. Write number and your answer. Write number and your answer. Yes, 353 views, but only 48 likes. Chalo, फटाफट 2-3 likes so that we hit a half century. So that we hit the half century. So that we hit the half century. Okay, still 48. If you have not liked this video, please like this video, like this live streaming. Okay, now 49. One more. Sensory, yes, Andrew, absolutely right. Sensory cells of organ of Corti. Yes, organ of Corti. Okay, they are receptor cells. They are receptor cells. Okay, receptor cells of organ of Corti. Very important question, huh? Organ of Corti. And this is very much in your syllabus. Name the fluid present in the inner ear. Name the fluid present in the inner ear. Yes, exactly 50 like. Thank you very much all those who have liked this streaming. Thank you very much. A big thank you. Name the fluid present in the inner ear. Come on, tell me fluid. Yes. It is. There are two fluids. There are two fluids, right? Endolymph. Yes, endolymph and perilymph. And perilymph. I feel ये वाला question आएगा. Please download this. Please download this PDF. I'll put it in the description box and go through this diagram properly. I am getting a gut feeling that this year related diagram आने वाला एक year related diagram आएगा. एक year related diagram आएगा. Okay. Right? Can we continue? Can we continue? Now we have next two questions we all were waiting for. Okay, next two questions which we all were waiting for. From light, defect of a human eye and its correction. Very important question. A sure short question. A sure short question. A sure short question. Let me know. Yes, let us continue. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Study the diagram carefully and then answer the question that follows. The diagram depicting a defect of a human eye. Identify the defect. Tell me what is the defect. Yes, thank you for all the hearts. We are halfway. Okay, we are halfway out. Right? What is the defect? What is the defect? Defect is hypermetropia. Defect is hypermetropia. Any doubt or something? Any doubt or anything? Yes, hyperopia also. Hyperopia. Other name is hyperopia. Okay, and what is this? Also, farsightedness. Farsightedness. Correct? Farsightedness. Right. Two possible reasons. Two possible reasons. A and B. Two possible reasons. Very important question. A sure short question. A sure short question. Very important. Don't enter your examination hall, okay, without learning this answer. Yes. What are two possible reasons? What are two possible reasons? Reason number one is what? Eyeball. Okay, what can you say about the eyeball? Okay, eyeball becomes what? Okay, eyeball becomes too short from front to back. From front to back. Correct? And one will be what? The lens. Lens. Okay, lens becomes too flat. Becomes too flat. Right? This can be one related to a shape of the eyeball and other related to the shape of the lens. Okay. Yes, shortening of the eyeball is absolutely correct. Right? Draw a neat label diagram. Draw a neat label diagram of its correction. Can you tell me which type of lens do you use for correcting this defect? Not asked. Diagram में तो पता चलेगा ही, but tell me which lens are you going to use? Which lens are you going to use? Okay, I was talking about this diagram. I told you I'll take in the evening class. So here I come. I'll take this. Okay. Which lens? Concave or convex? See, we have to draw a diagram. How we are going to draw? I same बनाओ. जैसा उन्होंने दिया है, don't be innovative. जैसा उन्होंने दिया है, exactly वैसे ही बनाओ. Okay, shape of the eyeball will be same. Okay, shape of the eyeball will be same as they have given. As they have given. Right? Is it too big? Chale, no problem. Then what? Okay, then what? Look here how to draw. First draw this, then a line over here. Then a line over here. Okay, like this. I'm using this stencil. By the way, I'm using this stencil. Then we have one more, right? Something here. You can see. Your diagram diya hoga. There is a easier diagram also possible, but draw the one which is given. Okay, draw the one which is given. Okay. We'll try to do a better work. Yes, much better. Correct. And the lens used is what? Lens used is what? I think I'll be blocking the vision. Okay, will be by am I blocking the vision? Okay, that was the reason I took on a digital board class in the morning, right? So how ray of light will come? How ray of light will come? It will come like this. Where is the diagram? Okay, from this point, first here, like this, then toward the sweet spot. Use scale pencil in and if possible stencil also, right? This is how you are going to draw a diagram. Correct? This is how you are going to draw a diagram. Am I blocking the vision? Correct? Practice it. It's very easy. It's very easy. आप देखकर भी बना सकते. Can be corrected by convex lens. By convex lens. So we have, this will be a 5-mark question. Huh? This will be a 5-mark question. 1 mark for this. First question, 2 marks for second answer and 2 marks for drawing a diagram. Weightage will be something like this. All right. Yes. Can we continue? Can we continue? Here we go. 11th wala question. Given below is a diagram. Given below is a diagram depicting a defect of a human eye. Now see where image is forming here, not on the retina. Not on the retina, but here. Right? So it needs to be taken far away. It needs to be taken far away. Okay. So we want a diverging lens. Here we want to bring it closer. Okay. It was here. So converging lens. Okay. Biconvex lens or converging lens. Now we want concave lens. Name the defect shown. Chalo, answer this question. What is the defect? Defect is myopia. Myopia or short-sightedness. Short-sightedness. Is it correct? Myopia or short-sightedness. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Okay. What are the two possible reasons? जो भी हम लोगों ने reasons देखा था, उसका exactly opposite reason. Exactly opposite reason. Okay. Second का first one. Okay, and we have to give two reasons. क्या होगा first वाला reason? Exactly opposite, which we have seen for my hypermetropia. Right? Here eyeball. How does the shape of the eyeball changes? Eyeball becomes what? Is elongated, is or lengthened. Right? Is lengthened. From front to back. From front to back. Front to back. Use all keywords. And second possible reason is lens is too curved. Lens is too curved. These are two possible reasons. Name the type of lens used to correct this. We want a diverging lens. Okay, we want a diverging lens. And which is that lens? Biconcave lens. Biconcave lens. Right? Biconcave lens. With the help of diagram. Okay, with the help of diagram. They actually have given an eye. अगर आपको eye नहीं बनाना है, no problem. Okay, अगर आप लोगों को eye नहीं बनाना है, no problem. See this diagram we are about to draw. This diagram we will draw. Okay, we will draw this diagram. Correct? We will draw this diagram. Look here. Okay, eyeball, you can make it like this. A lens. Wait, we'll do a better job. I'm not used to draw diagram with the help of the pen tablet, but still I'll try. I'll try. Okay, yes. Draw it something like this. And then what? We need a lens. Which kind of lens? Biconvex. Sorry, biconcave. Cave. Right? And then ray of light. Here we will show parallel ray of light. Coming. Have we shown arrows in the previous diagram? So let us complete this. हम लोग पीछे जाकर arrows भी बनाएंगे. ठीक है? Diverging a bit. Something like this. Okay? And then image exactly on the retina. Exactly on the retina. ठीक है? Please don't forget these arrows. Arrows. We have done a light chapter. Okay, we have done a light chapter. The first sem in physics, we have drawn all this. Use pencil and scale. Right? Okay. So out of 20, we have solved 10 questions. We will do much better. So थोड़ा speed increase कर. Okay, थोड़ा सा speed increase करें. Yes, Vijaya Lakshmi. Yes, by concave lens. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Conquer by concave. Andrew by concave lens. I am okay. Okay, sir. Yes, absolutely right. Very good. Very good. Can we continue? Can we continue? Please practice this diagram, sir. Please practice this diagram. Very important to practice these diagrams. Very important to practice these diagrams. Can we continue? Yes? Are you there? Okay, here we go. We have covered almost half of our class. Okay, these are my videos. How to draw neuron, how to draw kidney, how to draw Malpighian capsule. Okay, how to draw nephron, how to draw excretory system in human. Okay, TS of artery and vein. Also, today I did a live streaming. I think I have covered this plus some extra human heart and artery and what? Smear of blood. These are my videos, right? Ye Lucky Charm wala video is very close to my heart. Please make sure that exam में जाने से पहले you watch this video. Okay, and if you want biology का strategy, a powerful strategy, this is the video. But exam को जाने से पहले, please watch this video, Lucky Charm. Right? Come to this question. Come to this question. Should we start? Okay, I'll just take a 2 minutes break and I will continue. By that time, you try to answer this. Okay. Some students are saying that they already have watched this. Okay, I'll take a 2 minutes break. Just 2 minutes break. Okay, go through this. We will continue. Okay, we have completed half. अब थोड़ा सा speed increase करेंगे, right? Because now we don't have to draw again a diagram. Okay, simple mystery. I'll put the, once the live streaming is over, this PDF also I'll put in a comment box. Right? Okay, your 2 minutes starts now. Okay, can we continue? I am back. I am back. Okay, triple four views and double 5 likes. Very good. Very good. Yes, I see that during the break, students were writing the answer. Let us continue. Let us continue. Okay, here we go. Here we go. The diagram given below depicts the cross section of a spinal cord. Yes. Study the same and answer the question that follows. Process. I think already students have given answer to this question. Process is what? Reflex action. Right? Process is reflex action. Reflex action. Name the parts labeled as B, E, and F. What is part B? What is part B? What is part B? B is what? See this. ये raised part जो होता है वो ganglion है. Okay, this raised part is a ganglion. Which ganglion? Okay, इसमें cell body होता है. In my previous class also I took this. This is dorsal root ganglion. Please remember this. Exam में पूछेंगे dorsal root ganglion. Dorsal root ganglion. Right? Dorsal root ganglion. Then what else we want? E wala. What is E wala part called? Okay, center है ये spinal cord का. What is E called? Okay, it is central canal. Central canal. Which else do we want? F wala part. F wala part. What is part F called? F is what? Gray matter. Gray matter. All your answers were right? All your answers were right? I think so. Yes. Okay, let us continue. Let us continue. Name the cell in contact with the part A. कौन सा cell है ये? Which cell is this? Okay, which cell is this? What cell is this? Okay, it is receptor cell. Correct. This is receptor. This is receptor cell. And the other one is the effector. Correct, na? Okay. So answer is receptor. Receptor. What is the function of C, D, and G? Okay, what is the function of C? By the way, what was C? Okay. What is the function of C? C is what? Should I write it here? C is what? This is question what? Fourth one. Fourth question. C is afferent. Afferent sensory nerve. Correct na? Afferent sensory nerve fiber. Nerve fiber. Transport. Okay. Function. Complete function you have to write. Carries stimulus or impulse. Stimulus from where to where? From receptor organ. From receptor organ. Organ to receptor organ to the spinal cord. To the spinal cord. Right? Now, whenever you write a function, I am repeatedly telling this, your function has to be complete. From where to where? Okay, from where to where? This is what you have to write. Is it fine? Is it fine? Yes, receptor. Brain nahi re, spinal cord. Vandana Gupta, it is spinal cord. Right? Then D ka function. What is D? Okay, we have to write a function of D. D ka function. What is it? What is it? What is it? D ka function. Okay. ठीक है? Okay. What was D? Okay, D is what? D is a synapse. Look at the diagram. It is a synapse. And we all know the function of the synapse. Okay, it is a space between, okay, it is a space between sensory and the motor neuron. Very good. Between two neuron is the synapse. Okay, what do we want? We want what? Function of part D. What is a technical term? Name also we want, huh? Name also we want. So name here was afferent sensory nerve fiber. Correct. Here technical term is synapse. Okay, synapse. And what we have to give? Technical term and function. What is a function? What is the function of the synapse? It is a place. It is a place where incoming, okay, where incoming sensory, okay, where sensory impulse generate, okay, is anybody giving the answer? Generate on outgoing what? On outgoing motor impulse, right? This is what you need to write. I hope you understand my writing. Okay, and G, I'm not used to this pen tablet. Okay, G is what? G is what? I could see it is effector neuron. It is effector neuron. Very important question. Effector neuron. And what is the function? It carries, okay, transport. So complete function from to. Okay. Yes. Yes. Effector carries away impulse. Carries impulse. Generated where? Generated from to we have to write. Okay. Generated where? Generated where? Or generated by associated neuron. Association or mixed neuron. Association neuron, okay, to the effector organ. And what will be this effector organ? Either a particular muscle or a gland. If you have any doubt, please write in a comment box. Okay, क्योंकि जब आप function लिखोगे तो as per rule you have to write from and to. Okay, so generated by, okay, ये from हुआ ये वाला part. Generated by association neuron. This is form and to effector organ. Is it fine? Is it fine? Are there any more questions? Yes, fifth wala. Or we hai? This was third or fourth. Okay, technical term also you have given. How does the arrangement of the cell in the spinal cord differ from the arrangement in a brain? Very important question. Very important question. Very important. You should know this. Okay, brain में क्या होता है? Brain and spinal cord. Let me write this answer in a form of a table. Okay, gray matter. Okay, gray matter and white matter. कैसे होता है arrangement? Okay, and white matter. How is the arrangement? Okay, double T, I think. Matter is double T. Okay. How is the arrangement? Can you tell me the arrangement? Brain में arrangement कैसा होता है? Okay, in spinal cord, gray matter lies inside. In spinal cord, gray matter lies inside, right now? And this is outside. Whereas in brain, gray matter is outside and white matter is inside. Have I written it correct? Have I written it correct? Yes. Okay. Fine. Okay, what is his name? Simple mystery, what is your name of your brother? Alright, can we continue? If you want, you can have a look. You can have a complete look at this question. Yes? Prashant Singh. Vaibhav what? Vaibhav what? What is the surname? Is it fine? Can we continue? Let me know. Can we continue? Okay, let's go. Next question. It is related to brain. It is related to brain. Okay. The diagram alongside, listen carefully. Okay, listen carefully. Alongside is the external view of a human brain. Study the same and answer the question. Name the part A, B and C. Very easy. Name the part A, B and C. Some student may go wrong here. I don't want any of you to go wrong. I don't want any of you to go wrong. Okay, very important question. We are, okay, what, 500 views and 59 likes. Okay. Yes. A is what? This will be right. This will be correct. This will be correct for everyone. A is what? Okay. A is what? Is it cerebrum? Yes. A is cerebrum. Cerebrum. What is B? Cerebellum. Cerebellum. Correct. What is C? What is C? I want C ka naam. What is C? Let me know. What is C? Let me know name of C. I am waiting. What is C? Yes, good boy Nitesh. Okay, what is C? What is C? This is a board question, huh? This is a board question. This is a board question. Medulla oblongata is the wrong answer. I told you, most of you will go wrong here. Okay, medulla oblongata is the wrong answer. Is the wrong answer. Medulla oblongata is this. Okay, this part. Medulla oblongata is this. Correct answer for this is spinal cord. Spinal cord. Okay, correct answer for this is spinal cord. I'll tell you that. Don't worry. I know you will okay, you will not agree with me. Okay, you will come. Just hang on. Okay, just hang on. Yes. Okay, just hang on. Same question is in my book. Okay, very good. See, दो question है देखो. I have taken this question here also. यहाँ देखो, यहाँ C is the medulla oblongata. Okay, this medulla oblongata merges into spinal cord. This medulla oblongata merges into spinal cord. Okay, so this is spinal cord. देखो ना question पढ़ो, you will be convinced. I am just hang on, just wait for a while. You will be convinced. It is a spinal cord. Look carefully. Look carefully. Okay, आगे का part देखो. It will be very clear. It will be very clear. Okay. State the main function of the part labeled A. A का क्या function होता है? थोड़ा speed increase करेंगे हम लोग. It is a seat of memory. Okay, A का क्या होता है? It is a seat of memory. Seat of memory. Your intelligence. Okay, your intelligence. All your memory. Consciousness. Okay, intelligence. Consciousness. Then what? Willpower. Okay, is located here. It controls the voluntary action, help us to think, reason, invent. Okay, any one you have to write, correct? Now, what are the structural and function unit of a brain? Acha, B ka bhi likhna. Okay, B was what? Cerebellum, body balance, right? Maintaining body balance. Any one function you have to write, okay? Maintaining body balance, posture, okay, posture. Right? Posture, equilibrium, coordinate muscular activity, etc. Now tell the answer for this. What are the structural and functional unit of the brain? Kidney structural and functional unit is the nephron. Structural and the functional unit is the nephron. Right? क्या होता है इसका structural and the functional unit? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your answer. Cerebellum, definitely body balance and coordination. Right, body balance and coordination. Yes, very good. Prashant Singh, yes. Yes. Okay, it is what? It is what? Nephron is wrong answer. Good boy, Nitesh. Okay. What? Third wala. Okay, neurons. Okay, structure. Neurons are nerve cell. बहुत सारे nerve cells होते हैं brain में. How are this part of units arranged in A and C? अब यहाँ देखो, you will agree with me. You will agree with me. यहाँ difference पूछा है between A and C. Okay, a difference is asked over here between A and C. A and C में ये कैसे arrange होते हैं? थोड़ा क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. If you remember, केमिस्ट्री में क्वेश्चन आया था. Okay, केमिस्ट्री में क्वेश्चन आया था. What? Which is what? Non-volatile acid. Answer was concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, concentrated sulfuric acid, non-volatile. कुछ बच्चे लोग कंफ्यूज थे. लेस समथिंग लेस ना, लेस लीस्ट नॉन वोलाटाइल. क्या पूछा बुक में? हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे वोलाटाइल. दे आस्क लीस्ट नॉन वोलाटाइल. इफ यू रीड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, उसी बुक में क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में एक क्वेश्चन था जिसमें लिखा था ओके कि लीस्ट वोलाटाइल जो है, लीस्ट वोलाटाइल. ओके, लीस्ट वोलाटाइल. इट कैन नॉट बी नॉन वोलाटाइल. लीस्ट वोलाटाइल कि कुछ दिया था, लीस्ट वोलाटाइल नॉन सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. तो एमसीक्यू में ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था और 6 वाले क्वेश्चन में उसका आंसर था. ओके, सो व्हेन यू विल, आई टोल्ड यू विल एग्री विद मी, दिस इज अ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. व्हाई यू विल एग्री विद मी? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. देखो यहाँ देखो, मेंशन द पार्ट ऑफ यूनिट अरेंज इन ए एंड सी. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने बताया था अरेंजमेंट. ओके, बिटवीन ए एंड सी. ये न्यूरॉन्स कैसे अरेंज होते हैं? ओके, ए इज व्हाट? ए वाज व्हाट वाज पार्ट ए? ए वाज cerebrum. Okay, cerebrum. How are neurons arranged here? Okay, gray matter. Okay, so gray matter has cytons and inner. Okay, कैसे लिखे हम लोग इसको? Okay, gray matter, gray color is because of what? Because of what? Cytons or cell body. Gray matter because of cytons. Okay, how are they arranged in brain? Inside or outside? Okay, inside. Whereas B is spinal cord. Okay, gray matter, that is cyton is located outside. Now do you agree? C जो है वो spinal cord है. Okay, sometimes they will confuse you, but look out for a hint around the question. Are you getting it? Yes. Can we continue? Okay, can we continue? Mention the collective term that membranes covering of the membranes. There are 3 layers. Covering of the brain. Okay, has 3 layers. Okay, 3 layers. But we want a collective name. Want a collective name. By the way, क्या होता है collective name? It is meninges, right? Meninges. But what are the, arachnoid. Okay, pyometer. Then what is the second one? मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है. What is the second one? Somebody please write it. Okay, which one is the second one? Okay, durameter. and all three are together called meninges. Okay. Okay, please elaborate. Prashant, please elaborate. Okay. Fine. Okay. Name the function of cerebrospinal fluid. Function, this was fourth answer. Function of cerebrospinal fluid. Who will tell me what is the function? Okay. Protect. Okay. Brain. And as well as spinal cord from what? Protect from mechanical injuries. Okay, mechanical injuries and shocks. Right? Mechanical injuries and shock. Am I blocking the vision? Correct? Is it fine? Yes. Let's move on to next question. Question number 14. Again a diagram. Now tell me what is A. This time we are very much sure. What is A? Cerebrum. 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 Right? Cerebellum. Right? Cerebellum. And third one is C wala is medulla. Medulla oblongata. Right? C wala is medulla oblongata. Correct? Okay. Give the main function of A, B and C. A and B already we have covered. Can you tell me what is the function of medulla oblongata? What is the function of medulla oblongata? Okay, controls what? Controls involuntary actions. Involuntary action. Okay, involuntary actions like breathing, digestion. Okay, which are not under our control, like breathing. Okay, digestion, coughing, sneezing, etc. Okay, do naam kafi. Name the three protective covering. Okay, they want name. This time they want all three. So first one is pia mater. Second one is dura mater. And third one is what? Come on, I have told you a while ago. Okay, third one is what? Vian Sheth. Okay. Sir, will you give lecture for elective subject on 19th? Yes, I will try to do that. Arachnoid. Okay, arachnoid. Okay, you can write arachnoid mater also. Okay, but arachnoid is more than enough. Fine. Basic unit, this also we have covered. Neuron or nerve cell. Neuron or nerve cells, right? Did we miss on any questions? Can I ask you one question? This can be asked in a form of a technical term. And जब मैंने technical term वाला question लिया, okay, this I have not included. Okay, right side of a brain and left side of a brain is connected by what? It is connected by what? Right side and left side of a brain is connected by what? What is this part called? Very important question. It can be asked in a form of a technical term. Tell me, right side of a brain and left side of a brain are connected by what? What is that part called? Very nice name. Okay, very nice name. Pons is a wrong answer. Okay, if you are giving me answer for this, then it is wrong. Yes, corpus callosum. Corpus. Please remember this name. Very important. Very important. Exam में आ सकता है. I forget to include this. Okay, जब मैंने टेक्निकल टर्म लिया, आई हैव नॉट इंक्लूडेड दिस. कॉर्पस कैलोसम, कॉर्पस कैलोसम, colorless cousin. Okay, yes. Let's move on to next question. Let's move on to next question. A diagram of kidney. Okay. A diagram given below shows a section of a human kidney. Study the diagram carefully and answer the following question. What are the number parts? One, which is number part? सुबह डायग्राम किया था ये हम लोगों ने. Okay, आज के सुबह के लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग में ये डायग्राम किया था. What is part one called? Can you tell me what is part one called? I am waiting for your answers. What is the part one called? Okay, what is the part one called? Aja, Prashant Singh is asking me, what does pons do? Function of the pons, right? You want a function of the pons? Yes. Arachnoid is a second layer of meninges. Second layer of meninges. It is like web. Okay, web which absorbs the shock. Which absorbs the shock. Okay, what is the first part called? Okay. What is the first part called? What is the first part called? It is called, is it a capsule? Is it a renal capsule? Renal is right because it is related to kidney. But it is what? It is the outer part. So this is cortex. Okay, again this diagram is a board diagram. Okay, it is a renal cortex. Part 2 is renal medulla. Part 2 is renal medulla. Now sometimes they give very confusing diagram. Okay, I think morning somebody was telling in a textbook it is given as this. This is cortex and other one is the medulla. Third one is what? Renal pelvis. Pelvis. And fourth one is ureter. Ureter. Fourth one is ureter. Right? Okay. Chalo. Why does 2 have stripped appearance? 2 got stripped appearance given. Which is called as what? Pyramids. Why this stripped appearance? Okay, second answer. Will anybody tell me? Very interesting answer. Strips shows what? Okay, shows what? Presence of what? Presence of loop of Henle. Okay, if you have seen a diagram of what? Diagram of what? Nephron. So you have seen this. Loop of Henle and what? Collecting ducts. And collecting ducts. PCT and DCT, they are in cortex and collecting duct. Right? Collecting duct. What is the fluid that passes down by a part 4? This is very easy. Which is the fluid which passes from here? Very, very easy. Which is the fluid which passes from here? Absolutely right. It is urine. It is urine. Mention the structural and functional unit of kidney. It is nephron. Okay, nephron. Name 2 major steps in the formation. Okay, formation of urine. Okay, steps in the formation of urine. There are 3 steps. Do hi pucha, 3 steps. Okay, there are 3 steps. Asked are only 2. Tell me what is the first step? First step. Yes, tell me. Let me know what is the first step called. What is the first step called? Chalo, I am waiting for your answers. Let me see. Yes, one I got. One I got. What are these steps called? What are these steps called? What are these steps called? Okay. Okay, I am getting the answers. I am getting the answers one by one. I'm getting your comments very late. It is what? First one is ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration. Remember all three are again a very important question. Then what? Okay. This should be third one, right? Selective reabsorption. Selective reabsorption. And second one is what? Second one is tubular secretion. Correct? Is it fine? Ankita, if you are new to this channel, then welcome. Okay, Rishuraj, I think you are a regular member. Welcome to you also. Right? Okay, can we continue? Do you want to have a look at the entire answer? Okay, have a look. We will continue. We will continue. Okay. Very good. Very good. Abhyansh Nigam. Yes. So here we go. Question number 16. We are going to take 20 questions. Okay, 20 questions. Okay, most welcome. The diagram below shows the excretory system. ये भी draw करने के लिए it's very easy. Okay, this also it's very easy to draw. Right? Study the same and then answer the following question. Name the part A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay, parts A, B, C, D. Very easy. A is carrying what? What is A? What is A? Okay, A is carrying from kidney. Okay, to where? To heart. Carrying a blood from kidney to heart. So what will be A called? Okay, somebody already have given this answer. B is what? B is very easy. Like, okay. Blood entering into a kidney. It will be oxygenated blood coming from the heart. Okay, so coming from the heart. So this blood vessel is aorta. Okay. And first one going out. Okay. So where it is going? Can we say? Okay, we can write it as renal vein. Absolutely right. Even you can write it as vena cava. Okay. Inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava. Okay, but renal vein appear more appropriate. Without any doubt, right? B is aorta. What is C? What is part C? Okay, kidney के अंदर जा रहा, right? Over here, part C. Part C is renal artery. Going inside, oxygenated blood. So renal artery. Do we want a name D also? Do we want a name D also? Okay. What we want? A, B, C and D. D is a bit confusing. What is D? I think some modification is required here. Okay. Some modification is required here. This D will be for this part. Okay, D will be for this part. यहाँ कुछ गड़बड़ है. D will be for this part. Okay, ये वाले part को. ठीक है, चलो यार D को चेंज कर देते हैं. D is some problematic type. वो clearly visible नहीं है, तो we will take E. What is E called? ये तो बहुत easy है सब लोगों के लिए. It is what? Ureter. Right now, F is urinary bladder. C is what? Sphincter. G is what? Sphincter muscle. And H is what? Yes. अगर ये जो कहेंगे, okay, if you take this, so this is renal vein. Absolutely right. अगर इसको D पकड़ते, so it is renal vein. It is renal vein. Right. और अगर इसको D लेंगे, हाँ उसको ई दिया हुआ है. Okay, so some problem with marking over here. You can take a new marking. Okay, new marking. So it is renal vein. Write the main function of E, F, G, H. बताओ क्या function है? Write a complete function. Write a complete function. Every time I will say this. Write a complete function. E का क्या complete function है? Carries the urine. Carries urine from where to where? From where to where? From carry. चलो, I want to see your answer. Yes, midnight prediction video will come tomorrow. Okay, will come tomorrow. Right? Carries from where to where? Ika. From kidney to urinary bladder. Okay, to urinary bladder या from kidney will be wrong. Urinary bladder. Function में please keep this in mind. Your function has to be complete. From to. Okay, sir, can you bring prediction video today? अभी तो मैं यही बैठा हूँ. It will be okay. I have no time to do that. What about F? F क्या करता है? F क्या करता है? Okay, stores urine. Okay, stores urine. Right now, bladder stores urine. Okay, till it is released out. Till released out. What is G? G are sphincter muscle. Right now, sphincter muscles. Okay, what are they doing? What are they doing? They guards. Okay, they guards what? They guards what? Urethra. Correct? Guards urethra. And what is H? H is urethra. Okay. This. Okay, urethra is a passage. Is a passage of urine from dash to dash. From dash to dash. Okay, from urinary bladder to, okay, from urinary bladder outside the body. Outside the body. Right? Any doubt, let me know. Any doubt, let me know. Any doubt, let me know. Name the endocrine gland which could be added in a diagram and state the function. क्या add कर सकते हैं? कौन सा add कर सकते हैं? Endocrine gland. This is very easy. Which gland can be added here? Okay, is it adrenal gland? Okay, is it adrenal gland? Can we add this gland? Even here. Okay, a cap-like, a crown-like structure. So we can add what? Yes, to the outside the body. To is an incorrect preposition. So from urinary bladder outside the body. Yes, adrenal gland. Absolutely right. Moving on to next question, 17th wala. A nephron. Are you ready? Let me know. Are you ready for this 17th one? Are you ready? Yes, yes. Can we move on to next one? The given diagram below represents a nephron and its blood supply. Study the diagram and answer the following parts. Are you ready? Tell me yes or no. Are you all ready? Fitting like a cap. Okay, it should be fitting like a cap, not cup. Can we start with this? Can we start with this question? Okay, what is part A? What is part A? Okay, E is afferent arteriole. Absolutely right. What is part A? Okay, part A is collecting duct. A is collecting duct. We have to name what? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, and D. Correct? A is collecting duct. A is collecting duct. What is part B? Okay, look at part B carefully. What is part B? It is distal convoluted tubule. Write a full name. Distal convoluted tube. C is absolutely right. Loop of Henle. Loop of Henle. And what is D? What is D? What are you going to write D as? What is D? Okay, what is D? Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule. Correct? State the reason for the high hydrostatic pressure in glomerulus. Why there should be high hydrostatic pressure in glomerulus? Why? Tell me. Very important question. Very important question. Why? This can be a give reason question also. Okay? Because, okay, what do we see? Because pressure, physics, if you have studied, pressure is inversely proportional to area. Correct? So what we see is that diameter or cross-section area of the afferent arteriole is bigger than that of the efferent arteriole. Okay, that is a reason. That is a reason for high hydrostatic pressure in glomerulus. Right? Yes. Okay, Rishu Raj is saying afferent arteriole is narrower than the efferent. Efferent is narrower than the afferent arteriole. Absolutely right. Okay, physics ka formula. But you are writing a biology ka paper, so don't write physics ka answer. Okay, don't write that formula. Okay. Name the blood vessel which contain least amount of urea in this diagram. Which blood vessels contain least amount of urea? Which one? A, B, C, D, E. Which one? Is what? Somebody have given a correct answer. That is E. Okay, E, efferent arteriole. Okay, correct answer is E. Correct answer is E. Okay, efferent arteriole. Right? Any doubt? Let me know. Name the part of the nephron which lies in renal medulla. We have discussed this earlier. Answer is what? Answer is what? Loop of Henle. Loop of Henle. Correct? Mention the three main steps. Again, see repeated question. Very important. Very, very important. Repeated question. What are three steps? What are three steps? Okay, ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration. Then what? Ultrafiltration. What else? Okay. Selective reabsorption. Earlier I think दो step पूछा था, and third one is tubular secretion. Very important. ये subjective दूसरे form में भी आ सकता है. Correct? Okay. Have a look at the complete diagram. Can we move on to next question? Let me know. Let me know. Can we move on to next question? Let me know. Can we move on to next question? There are altogether 20 questions. This was 17. 3 more to go. 3 more to go. Yes. Can we continue? We have 800 views but only 67 likes. If you are watching this and have not liked this video so far, so please go ahead and like it. Okay, there are 20. Geeta, there are 20. 3 more to go. 3 more to go. Can we continue? Yes, sir. Okay, 3 more to go. Here we go. Okay. Chalo. Given alongside is a diagram of a part of a nephron of a kidney. Study the same and answer the question. This is very easy. What is A? Tell me what is A? Part A. Okay. Explanation on tubular secretion. I'll do that. Wait. I'll do that. Wait. What is part A? What is part A? What is part A? Yes, I'm waiting. Afferent, afferent, arteriole, arteriole, afferent arteriole, afferent arteriole. Correct. What is part B called? Very easy. Part B is nothing but glomerulus, glomerulus. And part C is Bowman's capsule, Bowman's capsule, right? What is the collective term used for B and C? Okay, what is Bowman's capsule? What is Bowman's capsule? Okay, capsule and glomerulus together called, and glomerulus together called. I know most of you know this. Okay, what are they called? They are called together, they are called Malpighian body or Malpighian capsule or Malpighian body, whatever you want to write. So this is the answer. Correct? Why is right kidney at a slighter lower than the left kidney? Okay, why this kidney? Malpighian का spelling right लिखो बच्चा, spelling right लिखो. Okay, don't write you will lose the mark if you write a wrong spelling. I have seen that. Okay, ये बहुत सारे बच्चे लोग यहाँ पर जो है spelling mistake करते. Yes, yes, Taksh Goel. Okay, if you have written wrong spelling, just rectify this. Why? Okay, why? To occupy which part? Okay, to occupy. Okay, to accommodate or to occupy liver. Liver बहुत सारा part ले लेता है. Okay, because of this liver, right kidney is slightly lower than the left one. Okay, homeostasis, very important. What is homeostasis? Okay, homeostasis. What is this? Name the region in the kidney where the structure B is present. Where a structure B is present. What is structure B? Okay, glomerulus. Where it is present? We'll come back to question number 4. At the end, we will do this. Okay, this is present. Okay, Malpighian body is in where? Renal cortex or medulla? Renal cortex. Yes, Ashmita already have given to the answer. Okay, maintaining internal and external environment constant. Okay, homeo means same. Okay, homeo means same. So maintaining what same? Internal and external environment. Okay, internal and external environment. Internal and external environment is homeostasis, right? Name the stages involved in the formation. Okay, 3 stages. देखो कितना important question है. कितना important question है. Repeated so many times. Okay, repeated so many times. Ultrafiltration, right? Selective reabsorption, and which is the last one? Tubular secretion. Okay. What is the technical term given to a process occurring B and C? Please briefly describe the process. Okay, what is that called? It is definitely ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration. इसको explain करना. Why it is called ultrafiltration? Okay. Okay, you have to explain this. डिफाइन करने के लिए डेफिनेटली आएगा. ओके, सो यू शुड नो द डेफिनेशन. डिफाइन बोला तो वर्ड टू वर्ड होना चाहिए. एक्सप्लेन या डिस्क्राइब बोला तो वर्ड टू वर्ड नहीं होगा तो भी चलेगा. बट यू हैव टू राइट ऑल द कीवर्ड्स. Okay, what is ultrafiltration? For your kind information. Okay, blood entering the glomerulus. If you want, you can write down. Under a great pressure is filtered, right? Somebody has given the answer. It's filtered. The liquid part of the blood filters through the walls of the glomerular capillaries and Bowman's capsule and enter into the nephron. Okay, and it is called the glomerulus filtrate also. Right? Go through the textbook. See it properly. Acha, what was the question? Yes, filtration of waste matter. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay. Yeah, देखो, you don't have to know. Okay, this is nephron. U-shaped loop. Okay, first one is loop of Henle. Answer दिया हुआ है. Second one is PCT, proximal convoluted tubule with blood capillaries. 3 is Bowman's capsule. 4 is afferent arteriole. 5 is glomerulus. 6th is venule. Where is 6th one? Okay, efferent venule. Right? Okay, to renal. 2. Okay, collecting tubule. 7th one is collecting tubule and 8th one is DCT. All names are given. Right? All names are given. Study the diagram and answer the following question. Where does ultrafiltration occur? Chalo, we'll run to this. Okay, where does ultrafiltration occur? In third part, that is Bowman's capsule. Am I right? Bowman's capsule. Was that third part? Okay, yes. Which structure contain lower concentration of urea? Okay, for the second time. 6th part, renal vein. Okay, 6th part, renal vein. Right. Which structure contain higher concentration of urea? 8th wala part. That is DCT. Am I right? DCT. Am I right? 8th wala. Okay, yes. Which structure contain lowest concentration of glucose? Okay, lowest concentration of glucose. Sugar is removed. Okay, collecting duct. What was the number? Collecting duct. Right? What is the number? Collecting duct. 7th one. Yes, 7th one. Okay. Water reabsorption takes place where? Reabsorption takes place where? PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. What is that number? Okay, second one. Right? Have a look at the entire question. Any doubt you can ask. If you have any doubt, please ask. Please ask your doubt. Okay, or else let's move on to last question, 20th. Last question. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask. Yes, good boy, Nitesh. You are really a good boy. Right? Any doubt, let me know. Last question. We are here from 7 p.m. Okay, almost 3 hours. We have completed 2 hours 43 minutes of live stream. Okay, we are close to 1,000 views. But likes are only 71. If you have not liked this video, okay. Ultrafiltration होता है Bowman's capsule में. Okay, Bowman's capsule में. Okay, first वाला आंसर, ultrafiltration होता है Bowman's capsule. Okay, last one. I already have answered this question. Okay, 20th one, smear of blood. Okay, look at this diagram. Very good diagram. Alongside is a diagram of smear of human blood. Study the same and answer the following question. Okay, we have drawn this diagram. A is what? What is A? Okay, सुबह draw किया था, so this should be a cakewalk for you. Not at all difficult. A is what? Is it RBC? But write a complete name. Right blood cells. Okay, right blood cells. Okay, right blood cells. Yes, I will continue. Don't worry. अगर doubt भी होगा कुछ तो after all this you can keep on asking me your doubt. What is B? Only one. This is what? WBC. But I insist you write a complete name. What is C? Platelet. And D is what? D is plasma. D is plasma. Okay, ये नहीं पूछा गया है, but this is fibrinogen, a mesh. Okay, fibrinogen. It is not asked. Fibrinogen, right? Okay. Mention the two structural difference between A and B. क्या difference होता है between A and B? We want two differences. Okay, two differences. Okay, what are two differences? We want two differences. RBC and WBC, two differences. Number one, क्या शेप के बारे में बोल सकते हैं? This is biconcave in shape. Biconcave. Okay, and what about this? Okay, any shape. So we will write amoeba shape. Okay, amoeboid shape. Amoeboid shape, right? What is the second difference? No nucleus. Okay, nucleus is absent. Okay, nucleus is absent, and nucleus अलग अलग type का होता है. Single lobe, double lobe. Right? Do you want to add onto this? Okay, do you want to add any point to this? Okay, nucleated, irregular. Yes, if you want to add any point, I'll write it here. Okay, or else we are moving on to the next question. Or else we are moving on to the next question. Right, yes, 75 likes now. Okay, we have to hit the century. If you have not liked this live streaming, please like it. Yes, likes are increasing. Very good. Okay. Right? One contains hemoglobin, another does not. Right. One red in color, other what? White in color. RBCs are formed in bone marrow. There are many points. Okay, many points. You are expected to write two. Okay, एक आध extra लिख देना. 2 points you write extra. Okay, क्योंकि teachers आपकी Indian है और Indian लोगों को free की चीजें बहुत अच्छी लगती है. Okay. Then what? What is the main function of a part A, B and C? बता सकते हो? Yes, lifespan. Their lifespan also. Okay, A क्या करता? Where should we write? A का function. We are discussing function. Please write the complete function. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे students लोग marks lose करते हैं. Therefore, I have made a special video on function. Okay. Yes, A transport gases from where to where? Transport gases, complete function, transport gases from where to where? From where to where? Okay, we will write transport. Okay, transport oxygen. Okay, oxygen in a form of oxyhemoglobin, right now? Oxygen as oxyhemoglobin. From where? Okay, from where? From, okay, from received oxygen received from lungs to body tissues. Okay, this is the way in which you have to write a correct answer. Okay, B ka function. B का function protects the body by destroying harmful microorganisms. Absolutely right. ये transport वाला नहीं है, so from to नहीं आएगा. Okay. हाँ. So protect the body by destroying harmful microorganisms. Absolutely right. C का क्या function है? C was what? Platelet. Okay. C का क्या function है? Let me know. Okay. Initiate what? Clotting of blood. Okay, initiate what? Clotting of blood. Right, clotting of blood. Right? What is the lifespan of A? I think already some of you have given this answer. 120 days. Okay, 120 days. Name the soluble protein found in D which helps in the clotting of the blood. Very important. Okay, very important. Soluble protein, which is that? Which is that? Which is that? Fibrinogen. Fibrinogen. Right? अच्छा 2 बार हो गया फिफ्थ वाला पार्ट इज, अच्छा ये आंसर है, नीचे आंसर है, ओके फाइब्रिनोजेन, राइट, ओके Geeta Prasad, wait for a while, you have a bonus question, 2 bonus questions. Okay, look at this diagram, look at the diagram, what kind of blood vessels are shown, what kind of blood vessels are shown. Another 5 minutes and we'll end this streaming. Yes, we have 1001 view and 75 likes. 1000 view and 75 likes. Okay, come on, tell me, what is the name? What is the kind of blood vessel shown? What is the kind of the blood vessel shown? Tomorrow I'll come up with a very important video that will be on a table-based question. Table-based question. Okay, they are what? Blood vessel. Blood vessel cannot be walls. Blood vessels cannot be walls. Okay. Blood vessel is veins. Right? Blood vessel is veins. Name the structure shown inside the blood vessel. Structure shown inside the blood vessel. They are walls. Describe the role of these structure. Prevent. Prevent what? Backflow of blood. Backflow of blood. Are these structure present on any other kind of blood vessel? If so, name them. Type yes or no. Yes or no. I say yes. I say yes. Where these walls are present? 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 Yes, it maintains a flow of blood in a single unidirection. Okay, yes, yes, opening of aorta and pulmonary artery. Okay, in heart में opening of aorta and pulmonary artery. Okay, towards which side of a figure is heart located? Where is heart located? Okay, above or below? Above or below this? Okay, top or bottom? Where is heart located? Where is heart located? At the top or bottom? Definitely at the top. Okay, after the examination, we will be at the top. And this is the last question of the day. Very important. Very important. You cannot undermine the importance of this question. See this lungs. Okay, and from here to left atrium. Okay, some circulation. Label the parts A to D. What is A? Tell me what is A. What is part A? What is part A? Come on, what is part A? This is the last question. उसके बाद आपको कुछ doubt होंगे तो I'll take those doubts. I will take your doubts. What is the part A? Yes, I'm waiting. What is the part A called? What is the part A called? It is yes, right atrium or right auricle. Right atrium or right auricle, both are correct. What is B called? Is it right or left? Okay, what is B called? It is left. Left ventricle. Left ventricle. What is C called? C is aorta, is it? Where is C? Where is C? Oh, yes. Okay, what is C? So students are very confident about this aorta. Okay, it is aorta. I always see, जब भी aorta होता है, they skip some answers and directly go to aorta. What is this part D? This is body organ. Okay, this is body organs. Okay, organ में capillaries होता है, exchange of gases takes place. Okay, blood goes in a form of a oxygenated blood and comes out in a form of a deoxygenated blood. Absolutely right. Give one difference of structure between A and B. Again a difference. Difference between A and B. Structure, the nature of the blood flows. Difference between A and B. Okay, difference between A and B. Okay, difference in A and B. One is the structure, and other one is nature of blood. Very easy, nature of blood. A guided difference between. I have made a video on difference between also. What was part A? What was part A? A was right auricle. Right auricle. Yeah, right atrium. And B was what? B was left ventricle. Left ventricle. Okay, what is the structure? What is the structure? Artery and vein. Okay, artery, okay, auricle has thin muscular wall. Am I right? Thin muscular wall. Am I right? And here muscular walls are thick. Correct? And auricles carries what? This side of a heart carries oxygenated blood. And this side deoxygenated blood. Is it correct? Is it correct? Or it is wrong? Ulta likha? Right. Right auricle, okay. Deoxygenated here and oxygenated here. Atrium, thin walls, okay. Ventricle needs to push what? Blood outside the body to the body parts, okay. Fine. Name the wall present at the beginning of C. Okay, beginning of C. What is part C? Aorta. हाँ, aorta से पहले कौन सा wall होता है? Aorta से पहले wall. Which is the wall? Last answer of the day. Okay, which wall? कुछ miss हो गया? Okay, third वाला miss हो गया. What is the specific name type of a blood circulation that takes between heart and lungs? Okay, it is Geeta Prasad. It is double circulation. Double circulation. Between heart and lungs. Heart to lung and lung to heart. Between बोला, from नहीं बोला. अगर बोला from heart to lung, then it will be heart to lung will be what? Pulmonary circulation. Right? Yes, from heart to lungs and lung to heart is pulmonary. Correct? Double, is it double or pulmonary? I am confused. Is it double? All pulmonary, between heart and lungs. Organs are not involved. Organs are not involved. What do you think? Okay. What do you think? Chalo, we'll first answer this question, fourth wala. कौन सा wall होता है? Somebody are writing this. Somebody are writing this. Okay, which walls? Okay, aortic, semi-lunar, half moon shape. Okay, wall. And I think it will be not double circulation. It won't be double circulation. It is pulmonary circulation, definitely, without any doubt. Okay. It will be what? Pulmonary circulation. Correct? कुशल, I have completed. सुबह का मेरा जो ये था लाइव स्ट्रीम था, उसमें मैंने सारे इंपॉर्टेंट डायग्राम्स कराए and I have a recorded video also. Which diagram do you want? If you go to my playlist, okay, our YouTube channel, that is PrepWin, Pravinsir'sPrepwin, ICSE. Okay, go to playlist. Playlist में जाओ and see, you will find almost all the diagrams. If I am missing out on anything, let me know. If I am missing out on anything, let me know. Okay, tomorrow, okay, I'll come out. Okay, ये देखो, ये सारे videos है, इसमें diagram वगैरह everything is covered. Inner ear, okay, inner ear का करना, okay. वो diagram based question आएगा. Okay, तुमको लगता है वो एग्जाम में ड्रॉ करने के लिए पूछेगा? If you want, I'll do it tomorrow. Do you think वो आएगा एग्जाम में inner ear वाला? No, I am from Mumbai. Simply mystery, I am from Mumbai, not from Pune. I am from, okay. But my native place is Satara. So I pass from there. And I have many friends in Pune. So I keep on coming in Pune. I have relatives, friends and students in Pune. Last year, there was a girl from Pune who was taking an online class from me. Okay, then I'll take tomorrow. Don't worry. But it is very unlikely. Kushal, I'll definitely take. Pre-board में आया था ना, कल मैं ले लेता. Is it fine? Okay, Kushal, is it fine? Any doubt you have? कुछ doubt पूछा था किसी ने, but I forgot what was that doubt. So you can ask me that doubt now. कोई कुछ doubt पूछ रहा था. I think that was, कुछ circle है इसे. Tubular secretion या something stages से related था. Rishu Raj, was that your doubt? Rishu Raj, was that your doubt? Somebody was asking me a doubt. Is that person still here or left? Okay. So can... Okay, yes, Ankita, welcome. Okay. Are you new to this channel? If you are new to this channel, तो तुमने बहुत सारा fun miss किया. Okay, we had lot of fun right from English paper till now. Simple mystery, I told you. Okay, I am not from Pune, I am from Mumbai. I am from Mumbai, not from Pune. My native place is in Satara. Okay, so I keep on going there. I have many relatives and friends in Pune. Correct? Is it fine? Okay. Okay, thank you, Geeta Prasad. Okay, you were there in my morning live streaming as well as in the evening. Okay, fine. Right? So, good night from my side. Okay, start typing good night in the comment box. Okay, that means it's a time to say goodbye and we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, tubular secretion from Rituraj. See, what is tubular secretion? Tubular secretion, okay? Reabsorption जो होता है ये उसका उल्टा प्रोसेस है. Okay, reabsorption इसका उल्टा प्रोसेस होता है tubular secretion. Okay, do you know what is reabsorption? Okay, tubular secretion is reverse, is opposite of what? Of what? Of what? Are you there? Yes, PrepWin Army, very good name. It is opposite of reabsorption. It is opposite of reabsorption, right? Okay, Rishuraj, don't worry, I'll include this question tomorrow. Okay, कल के मेरे इसमें include कर दूंगा and I'll explain this to you properly. Okay, that's a promise. That's a promise. Right? Tomorrow I'll take your question. Okay, I'll explain this in detail. It is almost what, 10:15 now. Yes, I'll definitely send this PDF ka link in the description box. I'll put, okay, if I forget, write in a chat box. Simply mystery एक दोन वेळा टाइप केलं तरी चालेल. No need to type that again and again. Right? So chalo, good night. I am ending this live streaming. I am ending this live streaming. Yes. Yes. Okay. 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 Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you for your compliment. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.